Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best masticating juicers on the market, the Deluxe Compact Masticating Slow Juicer. If you're looking for a juicer that not only extracts maximum nutrients but is also a breeze to clean, you're in the right place. Let's start with what makes this juicer stand out. The Deluxe boasts a powerful 130-watt motor that ensures you get the most out of your fruits, vegetables, and even leafy greens like kale or spinach. It's designed to extract juice efficiently while preserving essential nutrients and flavors. What sets this juicer apart is its compact design, perfect for those who want a space-saving appliance without compromising on performance. Whether you're juicing for health benefits or simply love fresh juice, this model offers a unique frozen attachment, allowing you to create delicious sorbets and other frozen treats right at home. Ease of use is another highlight. The Deluxe is straightforward to assemble, operate, and clean. Its pulp separation function ensures you get a smooth juice with less pulp, catering to different preferences. Plus, with its included cleaning brush and dishwasher-safe parts, cleanup is a breeze. From a technical standpoint, this juicer is built with quality in mind. It's made from durable plastic, weighs just 3.4 pounds, and operates at 130 watts. Keep in mind it's designed for use with 120 volts outlets, so it's perfect for the US market. Overall, the Deluxe Compact Masticating Slow Juicer is a top choice for anyone seeking a reliable, easy-to-clean juicer that delivers exceptional results. Whether you're new to juicing or a seasoned enthusiast, this model won't disappoint. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews and product insights. Until next time, happy juicing!